Well, this ain't gonna be a spectacular video, but it is Saturday night, November 16th. Did go purchase a grain cart today. Brought it home. Went through and greased everything on it and mounted the scale in the tractor and threw the duals on it. I'd prefer to have the duals on the tractor because once we get back there into that 120 across the highway, it gets a little hillier back there, and I'd just rather have the duals on it for that. So that, and I'll probably always run duals on the tractor when I'm running the cart, because that's the whole purpose of this, is compaction, elimination of some of the compaction issues. So did not get anything done on the grain bin. Worked with livestock this morning, and then the auger here noticed when we were running it there last week, we had some noises, so ended up getting a new bearing put in there, and then had to take off to go look at that. So I did not get this put back together yet. The combine, I went up after I did chores and stuff tonight, or just before dark there. I got chores done this afternoon, so I went up and grabbed the combine, brought it down from the shed, set the head back off of it. I'm gonna switch it over back on the corn here, work on that yet tonight. But I'm not gonna go out and harvest anything. Man, this video is gonna suck, because as you can see, it is nice and sloppy. So I'm hoping, that's why I'm gonna switch this over tonight and get the head back on, set the head back on it and hook it up, because my plan is probably try to get out there 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning and start filling the dryer bin up tomorrow morning. Let it kind of freeze up again tonight, and yeah. So that's kind of what's going on around here. I will do a video on the cart in the light. I just been running my wheels off today and have not done any videoing, but I'm getting close to being wrapped up for the night, so I wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know what was going on or is going on, but that is the scoop. So I'll try tomorrow. Well, I should be able to tomorrow, because when it starts getting sloppy again, I know it was around 11 o'clock, it was starting to get a little sloppy tonight or today. So that'll probably be about when I quit. I don't want to go and... I hope running about that long I should be able to get that dryer bin filled up there. And then tomorrow afternoon I should be able to maybe do a video of the cart a little better for you. So, but I am going to get to work on this so I can go grab a bite to eat and get cleaned up, go to bed so I can start up all over again tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Well, here we are, Sunday morning. I think it's the 16th. Switched the combine back over to corn, and I'm just double checking behind the combine to see if I was leaving anything. So it's still on the muddy side, so it didn't get as cold as I was hoping last night, but it's firmer than what it was if I would have started yesterday afternoon now, so I guess. I think they're talking, I don't know, 30 or 40% chance of rain today, so what I'm up to this morning. Guess we're gonna give that cart a whirl here. Everything seemed to run out fine on it with no load on it, should be good to go. Rather not test it out on a Sunday morning like this, but oh well. Tis the season. But we'll talk to you guys probably after a little while. We're out here at 120 across the highway. I'm waiting for another kid to come over and give a hand for a while here this morning. Asked the landlord yesterday, and he said he was up for it, and I said alright, and then he called me back last night and said, well, if you got another guy that can help, go ahead and have him help until like 6-7 o'clock in the morning, and then I can help after that. And I said, whatever, it don't make any difference to me. beggars can't be choosers. So. But I guess we'll talk to you after a while. Alright, I'm back on the auger here. Got this wrapped up, put back together. Obviously the bearing was not taking grease. So I did not have another grease bearing to put back in it. I had a sealed bearing, so it's got a sealed bearing in it right now. I guess we'll see how long that lasts. I'll have to stock up on some of the bearings again. But so that's back in business, which is good. I'll have to start transferring some dry corn down here. I got the landlord running the combine right now, and the boy running the cart, and then the other kid's running the wagons back and forth right now. I figured if I had all the help, I was gonna, since the landlord said he was ready to go finally, stuck him in the combine. I had this auger to tend to. Gotta go up there and work on that unload on the other bend just a little bit. There's a few years ago redid that takeaway auger setup, and it's got a grate on it, kind of like just to keep your fingers out of it basically, but it's all enclosed the way I got it set up, so there's no way to get your fingers in there. It's got like except for a little closer together. So I'm gonna go pull that apart and pull that out of it and then put it back together, because every now and again you'll get some buildup of husks or whatnot on that screen, and then it'll start plugging it. And then when I was transferring that Tuesday or whatever, it ended up plugging it and burning the belts off of it. So I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna remove that out of it, so that way it does not give me that problem again. And then there's a little mess of corn I gotta clean up there. One of the doors on one of the bends did not seal up like it should have, and spilled some corn, so I gotta pick that up. But and I think he's on round 3 or 4, so should be at least 3,000 bushel up there that they've gotten up there now. We got 2,000 of it done before the landlord showed up and got in the combine, before I got back to work on the auger here. So I think he was on round 3. So that's where I'm at for now. I'm gonna grab a skid loader and head up there and clean up some corn. Well, now it is about 10 o'clock in the morning, and that's what we got left over here on the 80. I'm gonna finish that, and I don't know if I can't get the camera to focus, but it's sleeting now, so And the dryer bin with this load, this set of wagons here will be full, so, or if it ain't quite full enough for me, so. And it's just not real horrible as far as making a muddy mess, so I guess I achieved my goal of getting the dryer bin full today. But I think we'll be calling her a day after them 6 rows there come off. At least got another 80 out, and then we'll have up over there the 120. We'll have that to do yet, but well, that's where we're at, so this will probably be it for the day. Thanks for watching.